Yes, I'd like to get representation.
Okay, let me get you over to our intake department and they will further assist you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Firm has expanded to become a national law firm with the ability to litigate civil actions.
Thank you for calling Cochran Law Firm.
I'm sorry, what was your name?
My name is Phyllis.
Phyllis?
Yes, ma'am, Phyllis.
Okay.
And how can I help you?
Yes, I have multiple false arrests. I'm targeted by multiple different police departments. On my false arrests, they've denied me multiple different times the ability to go to court, sabotaged my bond, put me in isolation, denied rec, and even on some occasions medical. I have been detained multiple times, and when they detain me, I get mistreated in the hospitals. They have sabotaged my ability to speak with social workers, and also deprived me to go to court with that as well. My child custody rights are being violated out of criminal activity. It's been done with 2 children. CPS covers
Have you
for
ever
it.
contacted us before, ma'am?
I'm not quite sure. I believe so.
Okay, let me have your name, please.
It's Keyana, Keyana.
Your last name?
Clark, Clark.
Just one moment, please.
Okay.
Texas.
I am. Been on the phone 2 minutes and 41 seconds.
It was not for the case that you're calling about today. Is that correct?
I'm sorry, I'm not quite sure what you're asking me.
Okay, when you contacted us previously, it was for another reason. It wasn't for the same thing that you're calling us about today.
I have the same thing going on, being targeted and civil rights violations, which is what I thought you guys handle, and this would be a great lawsuit. We're being targeted by multiple different departments, police departments, deny me recreation and even the right to go to court. Have you ever heard of anyone that was denied the right to go to court out of corruption?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, give me just one moment, please, Ms. Clark.
Okay.
By Johnny L. Cochran Jr., the Cochran Firm has expanded to become a national law firm with the ability to litigate civil actions, as well as defending people charged with crimes. The attorneys and staff advocate.
Okay, I tried to transfer you to the Dallas office that has the information that's being reviewed.
Oh, it's being reviewed? It's being reviewed?
Yes, ma'am.
For years?
Excuse me?
Okay, I don't understand what you're saying. You said it's being reviewed?
Okay, Miss Clark. Okay, when I asked you, are you calling for a different reason? You said no, it's basically the same thing. I was getting ready to take a new intake, but the one that you previously called about is still at that office.
Okay, so what are they doing with it?
I have no idea. I'm in Alabama. I was trying to reach someone at that office to find out what's going on with the case. But it just rang back here and they didn't answer at that office.
I just have such a hard time getting anything resolved. I don't know why that is. So when do you show that the initial intake was done?
I showed that it was done over a year ago.
And you said what was going on with that?
I would assume it was under review because I didn't show where it had been closed out or anything, but I was calling to find out what was going on with the case. But no one answered at that office. So
the Cochran Law Firm would not answer? Maybe you dialed the wrong number because I'm sure that the Cochran Law Firm would be more professional than that. So I can hold. Try again. Okay. Let's try again because like you said, it's been a year. That's a massive amount of time with all the chaos that I said that I have going on. This would be a great lawsuit for the Cochran Firm if I was actually calling them. So I don't know why they would duck and dodge me for over a year with such a great lawsuit. So I can hold, and let's see if we can get a hold of them, because I'm sure the Cochran Law Firm would be more professional than that.
Give me just one moment.
Okay.
That's presented to the Cochran Law Firm. Understand they don't accept every case.
Oh, I understand, and no one has accepted my case. But why would they not accept the case if it's such a great lawsuit? You said yourself you never heard of anyone been denied the right to go to court, and multiple different times I've been deprived of that right, which is a constitutional right. That's
But
clearly
you
a
just
civil rights
said
violation.
no one.
Ma'am, are you covering for it, ma'am, at the Cochran Law Firm? Why would you? I'm a potential client, and this would be a great lawsuit for your firm.
But why would you make the statement no one has accepted?
I think that we're concentrating on things that are not pertinent to this situation, ma'am. If you've never heard of anyone being deprived of the right to go to court, that would be an excellent opportunity for your law firm. And why would you suggest up front that there may be a possibility that you can't represent me? Why would you not want to? If a citizen was deprived of their right to go to court and you never heard of that.
I'm not the attorney, and I wouldn't make that decision.
Okay, ma'am, you are being inappropriate for a potential client with an excellent lawsuit that could be potentially a multi-million-dollar lawsuit. She hung up. And my phone. Did you? Hello? My phone's malfunctioning. She hung up, but she's still on the phone. Hello? It's just something else.